Hey everyone, today we're making my yummy orange zest blueberry jam. Come along with me and I'm going to show you how. We're going to start with about 32 ounces of frozen blueberries. We're zesting one whole orange into the pan. And then you're going to use the juice from that same orange and juice that into the pan as well. Add a 1/4 cup of white sugar. And clean up as you go because that'll make your life easier. Go ahead and mix that really well. You're going to start off by simmering this on medium heat and then change it to medium-low heat and let it keep simmering and stir occasionally so it doesn't burn on the bottom. You know it's done when you stir it and it stays separated like this. And then you're going to add this to a mixing bowl. I'm just using a hand mixer here. That makes my life a little easier, but if you don't have one, you can use a blender. Just make sure they're cooled off a little bit. And you're going to blend this until it's nice and smooth. You want all of the blueberry bits smooth out completely. And then I'm just adding some more orange flavor, so I'm zesting another 1/2 of an orange. You don't have to do this if you don't want. Taste before you do it, see how you like it, but I add a little extra just to give it that kind of orange marmalade blueberry flavor. Blend one more time. And then go ahead and store this in a jar. This also makes a really great gift for the holidays or really any time of year, but the holidays are here and this is a really nice gift for your friends and family. It will keep in the fridge for at least 2 weeks, maybe up to a month. So if you're storing it, if it doesn't get devoured right away, which if there's a lot of people in your house, it will. But if it doesn't, just watch for any mold on it because there's really no preservatives other than the sugar. 2 weeks would probably be my max. And there you have it, blueberry orange zest jam. This is one of our favorites. I really hope you enjoy. Try it out. Let me know how you like it. And until next time, happy cooking. Bye.